Oh. Okay, so nobody's watching, but I'm gonna do right now to put this little mod for Craft from 1.20.1 to 20.2. It's gonna take quite a bit of work, because I have very little clue on how the internal stuff work. And after everything is now set up, yeah, health is good. Okay, we're good. Just keep. Okay, so basically, right now we have the mod set up to compile with 1.20. The way I did that, well, clean, is basically I just changed the Minecraft version here and bumped up the Forge version here. Also in the process of like upgrading dependencies. But now we do a build, it's gonna fail, but that's to be expected. This little file that I'm looking at right here, this properties file, basically takes care of defining a bunch of variables for the actual build script over here to look at. So say if we look at, I don't know, this should, let's grab this mic here. You can see here it is referenced. Basically anything that we define here, we can look for here, and it will use what was defined in this. These are like just plain old string. That's it. All it's doing is doing a little string concatenation and using that to create variables, which the Gradle file uses. Fantastic, it failed. That's what I wanted. Weird to want it to fail, but that means everything's working. So, we take a look. I bumped a couple of libraries already, mostly the ones need to get the build process started. I left most of the work to be done straight. Here we have this little, okay, so GI needs to be bumped. Good. Node file, post rise, immersive engine. Heard about that? Okay. Which again, it's looking for a specific version, which probably doesn't even exist. I had to guess. What we'll have to do is look into the website projects individually, one by one, and bump the references here over to match. But let's get started with G. This that cannot be a regex. Plus must mean just use whatever might sense. Oh yeah, see it can. Okay, that makes sense. Go ahead and take a look for GEI. Hey, what is the story for that? Nice, but okay. So the versions that work for 1.20, sorry, 121.1, 1921, where now we have 50. Go ahead and begin them up. 19. I do not care what the are. Here, because that's .0 243, the earliest. And then there's a massive engine. But go ahead and make sure that EI doesn't. Let's go ahead and look. Graph. longer. Amazing web design. Okay, no problem. Hey, beautiful. Yep, this is 1.21. 0.12-18. Interesting. How does this work? Oh, this. GI is still complaining. Yep. Where is the version? That's not like that. It also. Okay, let's go back to AI. AI 1.2. That's the one common 19 plus parchment. Go back here. Back to JE. Source code. There we go. Two dot oh dot one. Latest, but 1. Oh no, here it is, 120. Let's doesn't specify. They're from 2015. What am I looking at? What I'm looking at in the mess. Okay. This is mess. Now 4. I'm using Java 12. Newest version. This whole parchment thing. It's like there's this parchment. We go and see mappings parchment. Where is this? Where is it looking for? AI dash API G. Where's the yes, it's looking for full name of this s.gi as specifically looking for 1920 19. Wait a minute. 19 would be. Doesn't go with that. What's the latest? 1942. This is gonna probably come. Let's not that one. It's very interesting that look at the 4. Oh wait, no. This is for like the micro version. Right. Don't do that. Like that. Okay. Set up. And specifically dash com dash I. Yeah. And we're looking at 19.4. All the way down. There's only 15. Playing that a little interesting position over here. We look at this. 0.21. Just 20.1. That okay, I see how I got it. Okay, now I have no idea how this nomenclature works. Oh wait, no, this is one. Hmm. Plus 920. Yes, they do. They indicate 240. 43. And we do have some specifically looking for mapped. Yeah, they do not exist. That is correct. I said looking for mapped parchment. Here. That end. Parchment. It's very clearly editing what. If I write whatever, yeah, it's probably gonna look for that whatever. That's for the mappings channel. Interesting. Weird, but interesting. Gonna take a little bit. That's normal. Yep, here I'm playing for whatever, right? This. Oh yeah, it is contaminating. Oh, maybe I need to also if I recall, part of it, part of the project itself from the author. Hmm. Recently. 2024 11th checklist. Yes, if we look at, I do recall see reference. Oh, not the. Just want to go to the the author of the. That's also. Oh wait, no, it's Mantle. Mantle, different. uh, okay, got this bit. Have some. Back, so no, it's not. The reference spaces are part of the sense. Huh. The LGI for a fact is updated to further version. Holland 19.20 plus is something. Plus is to just go ahead and copy paste. Yeah, could be useful. Oh, what a no complaint, but that's the PP same problem. Very interesting on that. Not used. What could be? Hmm. For the emphasis. And it's been like 20 minutes. As much music as. Uh, let's go ahead and just. Uh, I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. So I'm gonna put this into. Hey, look at that. And similar. Specifically looking for map. Just enough. Okay, perfect. They're using a different syntax and it's older, but see what they solve the problem. version. Regulation. Literally pain. It is not a fan of Gradle. But if they're using Gradle, eat it. Let's just attachments and GDI. Okay, they're just sending you back to the start. That, which, yes, this and that. Play the mapping channel and version to the parchment channel and the appropriate. Okay, so yeah, that version. Version. Here the way it looks. I like what I date dash good. Okay, so how can I see what's inside the mapping? Like, they surely would have like a search feature, right? Search? No, no. Search. Synchronous. Oh no. I want to see what's inside of one of these. The latest version. Not clickable. But maybe 1.20 have here. Just a basin. I see. Okay, so I know this is working for 1.2, so surely there should be reference. Previous version. Totally different. Also, not very. Okay, no problem. Idea is bring my little up in. Go ahead and clone this project. Surely we'll find something interesting here. Okay, which? No. Or the 21.x, beautiful. That's excellent. Prep for anything that. Interesting. Yeah, no references at all. Not exactly Not exactly. Hmm. Okay. Well, I mean, this did compile for the previous version, right? Oh, why don't you see here? Exist. We have here caches. Absolutely. Like, we go back to the original one. There's not many changes, but go back here. Full build. A little bit. Should work. That's what I. Downloading everything then. Okay, so then the parchment. So there should be something for that parchment. My idea here is go look for where those are in my file system and see where it gets them from. Once I know where it gets them from, I can search that same repository, red version, new system, and apply that. In fact, it might even be a good idea to like fully nuke my Gradle cache to force everything to re-download. Here. Yes. So far, nothing. I wonder why it's specific. I take it a little. It always takes. Like, that's pretty fun. I saw some parchment there. Saw some parchment. It finished? No, it's not done. Okay, so went for parchment. Finished everything. That's the only mention. Oh wait, no, it's not done. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's very similar. Ah, look. AOI 1.20.1 common API 15 AI common API. That's all it's looking for. Good thing. Waiting. So why would it doing some bug thing? Source code. I know it's a thing in Java. Probably read more into it. Like I know people use it. Oh, little state exception. Little thing. Yeah. References. all together. Aha, look at this. Still complained. Why did you complain? Now they complained about Minecraft Forge. It did build before. So I'm actually confused. There. 8 references from that, which I did find. More and weird. Funky. Very funky. So I did not change anything. State of this to into a git log. We are on the head from repository. Like they are identical. I did not change anything. Let's go ahead and just fully nuke. Always funny. Cradle, fully nuke. Do a build. Well, found ourselves in an interesting situation by accident. The project did specify here, the README, that this can happen. Here where Gradle issues are found, try running. I don't know if that's real. Just wait for it. Also, looks like my objective right now, given the build normal version, is doing a clean normal build for 1.21, which should work. Like it did work before. Ah, delicious dependency. Please enjoy. Say I'm streaming. Probably doesn't help. People are mine. It's like one by Jill and complain about Java. I guess it is like a Minecraft. Also not optimal. That's the okay, it's done with downloads. Let's come. Did grab some. Okay, did grab man. But I don't get this. I really hope I don't have to tell. I have to tell. I guess we can check that. Well, yeah, it's only up to one. Probably need to bump this as well. I have no idea. Like if I guess it's probably like some common dependencies, is mods. I mean their mods. Okay, but it's building. So far building. Very good. Ay ay ay. Here it's early. That's what I do respect about like Rust and Plus. And stuff. Like at least when they compile, they just eat up your code. If it has power to use, it would. That's respect. That's respect. Stopping at the records. Okay. We'll put the gating. On the existing door. Yep. It have been so long. Weirdly long. It take this long before. I mean I wasn't recording before. Recording this computer take the cheap mostly. Oh god, more. I guess I did new. Done me. Delicious. Okay. Okay. Those are no. I recall they happened. Oh yes. Sees. Yeah. Okay, but finished. Build successful. We have. You're complaining. Complain. We don't have a build. Look at here. Oops. But we do have like a full on. Like it actually complies. Based on that, now we can go ahead and look at trends. 43 references to part. Perfect. Second. So there are two things for E. Go ahead and take a look at it. Wrong window. What do we have here? Stone. The patch again. Like were written on 2021. Pork. Oh, wait. There's like new version. There should be. Because yes. That's it. 2024, 11th. There's all of it. But that's the same thing we saw before. The last one, it's on a warning. Let's go back to 120. Yeah. So, what did we learn? Absolutely nothing. Let's fucking do it, please. And we did learn a couple. Does it need a dependency for fucking clean? What the fuck? Oh, Java. Silly goose. Gotta love Java, huh? Wait, how big is it? Megabytes or something? That was huge. Take it. This is to be complete. It's funny. Until 243. Well, 3. Get you with that. Everyone's happy. I understand how this works. Alright, still. Here's construct. Let's just. So what I want to look is immersive engineering. Like, this is updated. There should be. What if I just steal? You know? Okay, here's the immersive. That's like a sub version. Here's the JEI. 1910 one. Well, I guess we could align with it. JEI. Down in the microphone. 6 is. Try with that. That one was fine. Let's look at. Said Atlas. Oh god, this is it a different fucking color? Oh, GitHub. 10.2.0. Probably gonna complain. Thingy. Surprised. Jason thinks it's. I guess there's like plug. I like me. I just feel. You're 30. Work. Oh, we're up to date. It can find. Why is it looking for? This is probably a. Let's just shove it into. See what it. Not chat. Building. Question. And nice. Like maybe if it's like in the fucking training data. Gradle is trying to resolve. So that's stuff. Yeah, I know the mod. These are. They fucking do. Absolutely. Like I know for a fact they've been updated. At least some of them. Fucking parchment thing, I don't know how to. Cash. Dependencies. Read me. It's a clean cat. It's because it's so I should probably have put in them. Yeah, you are fucking useless. So, said look. Evidently, not finding anything. This. Look at this. Just a way. Question or slang man. Yeah. Oh, maybe it's. So yeah, I'll probably have to update. I did not find immersive engineering. 12.3. Yes. Okay, do you know this is the lead? Like this is out there. Link to. I just link to their file. Rex. Build a grid. Build a grid. And it's pro failed. Wow, because it was looking for it, didn't find it. A, which is the maybe it is. No, that's just off. Oh, fuck it. Nice. Oh, where? Oh, again, look at the build for a local change. Stash. Back. Stash is so. We run a build. Probably. No, no, no. No, I do need to like. This is only gonna compile, which is nice. Need my Gradle. Just gonna compile. This is for proof. So I need to find where it found it. There's probably an easy way. In fact, Gradle. That this way. Let's test it out. Oh, that's actually a little bit. I need to. Probably nice. Stone. Very spit out. Alright, again. Disturbing. Not just for but LF. Wrong. Ah, exactly what I wanted. Oh, look at all. Get pure. Design. Dash. Look at it. Oh yeah, I see. Dot chosen. Pre-release. Dot one dash. There we go. At the wait, continue. Fantastic. Oh, let's hit this.